All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. My DRK160 I have in this sucker right here. I got some great tips from you guys on what to do with it, so I did it. I ran it. It didn't cut out, so I'm just going to do a dry takeoff to see what it does. Okay, 132 feet. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. Let me heat it up a little bit real quick. Get the tires warm. Okay. Now, okay, did that again. All right, hold on. All right, here we go again. Start. Yep. Let's see what it does. This is the first real hit I've ever done. Don't worry, I'm getting a better radio, all right? I'm not even finished building this thing yet, folks, so. Okay, and I haven't done anything with this ESC. It's all factory default. Okay, I haven't done anything, no punch, no levels of timing or anything like that. This sucker's got 5 levels of timing. It's like, my goodness, that is just beautiful. See what it is. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. 2.9. okay, 49 miles an hour. I'd like to see that. All right, okay, it's just to start. Just to start. I see my arcing here. That's because of my controller. I'm going to be getting another receiver in so I can use this one, because I already have that in my C10, but you're not going to see that run right now. So I see right here my curve. There's the controller kind of clogging a little bit. Then it goes up, creeps up. I can kind of see the ripples, the levels of timing, and when it hit 132 feet, it was still climbing, and I really love to see that. So let's take this sucker back. Let's put it on track, and I'm gonna try and do a speed run if that's possible. Start. Okay, don't know if this parking lot's big enough for it to do a speed run, and I really don't know if I have drag brake or not. So I'm gonna cruise it all the way. Okay, there's a little old lady or a guy with a basket. I have no idea what it is. Okay, where's that car going? Okay, I'm okay. Keep it going. I'm gonna just rip it up this way. No cars coming that way. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down. Slow down. Jesus, that was insane. Wow. I haven't had a car that fast since I had my X-Max with the 800 kV in it. Woo, that was okay. Let's stop it. I'm just stoked, guys. I actually have cars running right now. I'm super excited to get to come out here. Ooh, 54 miles an hour. And I had to slow it down. It was still climbing. My goodness, that's got potential. That has some potential, man. No wonder why people use that. So I have the DRK hooked up to it, the 160, with the Rotor-Ron 3.5 Phantom motor. And the ESC is still stock. I'm only using a POWERHOBBY 100 current battery. I still have the stock cat pack. I don't even have the DRK cat pack, the extra one. And like I said, I'm not even running drag batteries. And I still have to get Proline shocks on it. Dude, and I didn't even prep it with sauce or anything like that. And I didn't use my carpet, as you see, with the green stuff on it. The green cleaner. I'm tripping up. But anyway, I'm very happy with this. And I hope to be doing another video next week when I get all my stuff for it. So I'm going to put the Proline shocks on it. I'm going to get the cat pack upgraded the DRK cat pack, and I'm going to get the DRK 220 current LIPOs for it, and I'm going to go down a tooth. It has a 14 tooth on it. I want to go do a 12 tooth. I have to get that too. So, oh yeah, and I have a 32 pitch because I'm using a Proline transmission. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I didn't go too long for you guys. All right, bye-bye.